INNOCULTOUR is a European project funded by Interreg Italy-Croatia program with the aim to promote innovation and cultural heritage in the Adriatic Sea area to boost local tourism. The objective is to enhance and promote lesser known yet very important museums and areas that are an integral part of the local cultural heritage of Italy and Croatia. This project aims to explore the economic and tourism potential of these sites by leveraging new technologies with an eye to creativity and culture. INNOCULTOUR aims to promote and improve access to the 8 museums involved in the project by focusing on a marketing and communication strategy that creates a network of cultural sites in the Adriatic Sea area and by improving integration between technology and traditional museums with the aim of attracting young people and catering for people with special needs.
INNOCULTOUR is a wide-ranging project focused on strengthening and bringing innovation to smaller destinations in the geographical and cultural area of the Adriatic Basin. The aim is to create a network of museums bound by territorial, commercial, historical and cultural similarities, but also by the need for the consistent communication within the community and by the need to become an attractive alternative to classic touristic destinations to promote diversification. The project will use innovative technology to improve the usability, accessibility and interactivity of these museums and cultural sites. Museums have been improved with new beacon systems, also with augmented reality to bring viewers closer to works and exhibits on display. Natural History Museum Rijeka will implement hologram of Cape Bear and augmented reality of Proteus, so visitors can experience something new.
Through the creation of a network of different historical, cultural and natural sites, the INNOCULTOUR project aims to provide packages including integrated itineraries and tours of fascinating destinations in Italy and Croatia. The route joins the two coasts into a tour that starts from the region of Molise with the museums and the castles of Fortore and goes up to Emilia-Romagna with the Salt Museum of Cervia, dedicated to the old salt marshes and to salt collection and processing in the area, the Wood and Deer Museum in the Este Castle of Mesola. The tour continues in Veneto with the Southern Lagoon Civic Museum of Chioggia and the Museum of the Great Rivers of Rovigo, bringing together the heritage of people who lived along the rivers in the upper Adriatic over the centuries. The next stop is at the Natural History Museum of Rijeka, Croatia, which houses an important collection of geological, zoological and botanical finds. And finally, a trip to discover the ethno-villages of Jumak, Belograble, Malograble and Rodine on the charming Var Island. This itinerary will also enhance the surrounding areas with activities and initiatives designed for different age groups and accessible to all.